Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change printing speed on Bambu Lab A1, adjust print speed for better results. Method 1. Change printing speed on the Bambu Lab A1. Step 1. Start your print and wait until the printer begins printing. Step 2 on the printer's touch screen, tap the speedometer icon. Step 2 on the printer's touch screen, tap the speedometer icon. Step 3 select your preferred speed mode. Silent 50% of the normal print speed. Standard 100% default. Spot 124% of the normal print speed. Ludicrous maximum speed. Use only when print quality is less critical. Step 4. Tap anywhere outside the menu to apply the new speed and return to the print screen. The printer immediately adjusts the speed while continuing the current print. Method 2. Change speed with the Bamboo Handy app. Step 1. Open the Bamboo Handy app and connect to your A1 printer. Step 2. Select the active print job. Step 3. Tap the 100% speed or speed button. Step 4. Choose silent, standard, sport, or ludicrous mode. Step 5. The printer will update the print speed automatically without stopping the print. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.